Hello everyone, my name is Prabhup Singh. I will be discussing today an important concept called business intelligence, which we learned in our class. Business intelligence is something that is used by virtually every organization, irrespective of its size, whether it is small business in a locality or a large multinational corporation. Today, in the next few minutes, I will be explaining what business intelligence really means, why is it so important, and then give a practical example of how it is done or can be done. So, basically, what is business intelligence? In simple words, it is nothing but a set of processes and tools by which organizations capture data and turn it into useful information. Every organization captures tons and tons of data on a daily basis, be it's like sales data, customer feedback, website analysis, etc. Without any analysis, this data is just like the data and nothing else. But with the help of business intelligence, organizations convert, convert this data into useful information for them for the future in conversions and the deals. So, this is a simple flow of the complete process of business intelligence. It starts with the raw data obtained from various departments of the business. This data is then sorted by BI tools. The data is then presented on a dashboard, typically in charts and graphs, so that they are easily readable. Last but not least, these dashboards empower managers with smarter and quicker decisions. This helps to reduce the guesswork and provides company with actual evidence to rely on, to understand their performance and to plan accordingly for future. By knowing these all steps or working on these all steps or getting knowledge from the BI process in the future, company can be more helpful and more powerful regarding that. So this is a very helpful steps in that. Let's take a simple example. So here we have to suppose you have a chain of 5 coffee shops. So the owner isn't sure which store is performing well or which is performing poor. She is able to aggregate sales information from all 5 locations and view it in once convenient chart on a BI dashboard. She finds one store sells more coffee, as you know, anyone have a higher sales, more coffee in the mornings, and the other store sells more coffee in the afternoons. Every store have their own data and sales types. Yeah? This allows her to tweak staffing and promotions at each site. Based on this information, if she didn't have a BI she would only be making educated guesses from the totals. But if she got that data, that sales, that can be very helpful for her to know which location is doing good, which location is doing poor. So that's how BI helps in that location data management issues. So in conclusion, the main idea of business intelligence is transforming unstructured data into valuable information for the decision-making process of a company. It helps to minimize uncertainties and emphasize some trends that can help an organization to get an advantage in such a competitive environment, in spite of the fact that this company can be small cafe or a large multinational enterprise. It will help its management to know the real situation in the company and make correct forecasts. Therefore, this was the whole CIS 165 project from Prabhup Singh. Hope you learned something from it and hope that was my best of the best. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.